for option 2 here. So basically for the meet and greet, you're going to go up here to this little icon here. It looks kind of like a TV with a bunch of little octopus tentacles coming off of it. So click on that. This is Canvas Studio. You have to double click. Then you're going to click on these 3 dots up here at the top where we got screen capture, webcam capture, upload from a computer, or external link. We're going to use webcam capture. You're going to click allow for Canvas to use your camera and your microphone. Oh gosh, I look terrible, but hey, it's all in the name of helping you guys. So I just woke up, no makeup. This is me. All right, so we're going to do a little screen capture here now. You're going to choose 3 questions to answer. And so I'm just going to do 1 as an example, but you're going to do 3 questions, okay? So I'll say, what's your favorite music artist? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click mic here. And then I'm going to click start recording. Let me see. Oh, the mic should be good. Hopefully that's working. Yeah, it is. Okay, so start recording. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Now I'm ready. Okay, so my favorite musician is an artist named Eden. And I think I also wrote about this. So I learned about him from my son actually because my son was really into listening to him. And he used to be an EDM artist, but he's kind of branched out into doing like his own solo work. And I would say he's kind of a little bit hyper pop, but maybe just pop. But he's from Ireland, and I don't know, his music speaks to me because it has a lot of little things hidden in it, in the music. And he has good lyrics, very poetic. And his singing voice is actually really different than most people's singing voices. So, anyway, it's okay, by the way, to just come on here looking like whatever. Like, I don't expect you to have your hair done, your makeup done, nothing. Just come here, do your thing. No judgment from anybody. We're all just here trying to get our work done. And sometimes it's easier to just say something than it is to type it out. So that's why this is an option. And I hope some of you decide to use it. All right, that's it. So when you're done, you press finish. You will have done 3 questions. So you want to say the question, then the answer. Okay? That's it. Look at my favorite photo. All right. So I'm going to save it. Oh, I want to title it here. So I'm going to put Amy Borges answers to 3 questions. Save media. It's saving. It takes a minute. And of course, if you're struggling with this and it's not working out for you, you can always just type out your answers. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to click select. Now, I'm not going to put download option unless I want other people to be able to download it, but I am going to push display media tabs so it will embed it. And then I'm going to embed. So we're going to just go ahead and do that. Bam, there it is. I'm going to make it a little smaller, but I'm going to do that off camera. So anyway, that's all you have to do. And then you'll post this to your assignment. Okay? So hopefully that's helpful.